Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will explore how to use BA Builder datasets for deals to analyze business performance. We will look at the different datasets available, how to blend them and how to create charts for actionable insights. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned BI enthusiast, this video is for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe and let's dive in. Let's start by understanding the data sets available for analyzing deals. For that, you go to the BA Builder user interface. If you want create new dashboard, you can mention your dashboard name. My dashboard name is deals and the amount. Mention the CRM. If you want the parameters, you can add the parameters. New empty dashboard is created. Go through it. This is the empty dashboard. Click the edit button. Sorry. Click the edit button and then go to SQL Lab. So we try to understand what are data sets for creating charts in the deal section. CRM underscore deal table CRM underscore deal underscore UF. It's nothing but what are the customized fields stored in deal underscore UF. What are inbuilt fields stored in the CRM underscore deal. So if you understand the CRM underscore deal, this dataset contains standard deal fields. You can track details like how many deals an employee has closed, how fast and which deals are still in progress. That information is stored in their table. So if you understand the customized fields, these are the customized fields. If you have created customized fields like delivery time or order number, this data set store those values. It's perfect for personalization your dashboard with additional details and other tables also there for the deals. Deal stays history. This dataset tracks the progress of deal through various stages. It includes details like dates, deal status, and the responsible employee's name, helping you analyze the journey from start to finish. And one more, the table is product row. If your deals include products, this dataset shows products details like quantity, names, and the total amount. It's a great for understanding these products are driving your sales. Sorry to interrupt. So like that, these are the tables are existing in the BA Builder. So if you want create the charts existing data sets, you can directly go to the charts and select your required fields and create the charts, and the charts if you reflect in the dashboard you can do it. Otherwise if you want join two tables, sometimes all whatever the inbuilt fields not tracked properly, so you can create customized fields in the deal space, so that information is stored in the another table, not the crm underscore deal. So you need to join these two tables, then only you can create the proper charts as per your business rule. So like for that you can write the query. I have already create the query. That query it's explained I need to join these two tables, inbuilt data and the customized fields data need to required as per my business rules, like so that I have joined these tables and fetch the data. So this is the deal IDs, the deal name, the deal when the deal is created, the respect to deal amount, custom field. Like that, I create the write the query and run the query. I have got the required information as per my business rule. So you can mention your chart name, deals amount, respect to responsible person wise. So save the chart. You can whatever the chart name you can mention the dataset name also. This is a customized dataset. So your dashboard is deal and amount. Save, go to the dashboard. Automatically this data is reflected in your dashboard. Like that, you can create different ways as per your business rules. Sometimes you need to combine. Okay, so I have already combined the two tables and fetch the data. So what are the benefits for using deals BA builder? I will tell you more. First point, monitoring how quickly employees close deals and identify the top performance. Analyze the trends, discover which products are most frequently sold and their impact on revenue. Customized insights, add custom fields to dashboard to tailored reporting. Visualize the stage, understanding the deal's journey and the identify the bottlenecks. These insights can help your team make better decisions and boost overall performance. That's all for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumb up and share it with your team. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on BA Builder and the business analysis. Have questions or ideas for future videos? Drop down in the comment below and I will see you in the next session. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing. Thank you.